నీ పేరు ఏంటి?
నా పేరు Shivnarine Chanderpaul.
కథ ఇదిరా నీ పదమిదిరా పదరా 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 మనబడి రథమిదిరా తెలుగుకు కొత్త రిథమిదిరా పదరా మనబడి రథమిదిరా తెలుగుకు కొత్త రిథమిదిరా మనబడి రథమిదిరా తెలుగుకు కొత్త రిథమిదిరా నీ కథ ఇదిరా నీ పదమిదిరా పదరా 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 మనబడి రథమిదిరా తెలుగుకు కొత్త రిథమిదిరా పదరా మనబడి రథమిదిరా తెలుగుకు కొత్త రిథమిదిరా మనబడి రథమిదిరా తెలుగుకు కొత్త రిథమిదిరా.
Coach, first of all, thank you for your time and thanks for interacting with our team yesterday. After they interacted with you, I think their game actually improved a bit better and it was a wonderful event. We call it as ManaBadi Cricket League, and this is the first time we conducted. And All Stars sponsored us big time. They provided the grounds here, Louisville, and they provide the entire infrastructure, everything, whatever we needed. They provided us everything, and the team enjoyed it super much. And it is really our honor that we could actually celebrate this moment when you're here. So you saw some of us, you interacted with some of us. What are your words for this particular team and also their kids in terms of cricket and also in terms of what they're doing for the society?
No, the main thing is that everybody's enjoying what they're doing, having fun doing what you're doing as a family. Look, everybody here is family. We all is family together. We treat everybody like family, and that's where it should be. Yes, you have fun, you have some competitiveness in between. That makes it better. Have some rivalry here and there, a little bit of chit chat here and there. That's fine. That's what liven it up, makes it more fun when you're playing. Somebody might be saying something, trash talking, this one saying this. That's how it goes. You want that. That is what liven up any tournament you're playing. That livens up everything. So you enjoying it, doing it, having fun doing it. That's the main thing. At the end of the day, you want more of it. You want to come back and do it again next time around. So, and the kids also, they're seeing these things, they grow up learning all these things, and the learning is for them. You're doing it for the little ones then. So that is really, really important to just get the little ones involved. So when they come out and see what you're doing, they can take that on, and there's so much more you're doing. I mean, as kids, you don't even know what you're doing for them until they get older, then they realize how much you've done for them.
Okay, thank you, coach. Then she explained us saying that no, okay, trust me on this one. You would enjoy it better if you follow certain rules and all certain. So she explained all the rules, the boundaries, the running, and everything. So thank you so much,
Sure.
for making all. I know this is quite an expensive affair for you, but what you did for the volunteers of SiliconAndhra ManaBadi is really appreciated. Then Adi mentioned that you're going to be here, and we planned these things. The dates actually matched really miraculously. We did not choose this date because you're going to be here, and we did not know that you're going to be here. But when the intent is right, the results are fabulous. That's exactly what we actually felt here. So, please a few words, for our volunteers.
Yeah. అందరికి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి వచ్చినందుకు. అండ్ దెన్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఫర్ టీచింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ టు ఆల్ ది కిడ్స్ అండ్ యువర్ టైమ్, యువర్ పర్సనల్ టైమ్. వీ రియలీ అప్రిషియేట్ వాట్ యూఆర్ డూయింగ్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఆల్ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ద లాంగ్వేజ్. నాకు మా అబ్బాయి వచ్చు, చదివేవాడు కూడా. సో బట్ వీ నెవర్ హ్యాడ్ ఎ ఫార్మల్ క్లాస్. బట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఫర్ ద వాలంటీర్స్. గివ్ ఎ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లైజ్ ఫర్ దెమ్. So, Mirandro, you spend for teaching language of your personal time. Hopefully, you are enjoying that, and that's the same way we enjoyed having you hosting a tournament for you all to play here. Thank you. And if you are all interested, we'll have a quarterly ManaBadi league to have one. So that we'll have
Definitely interested.
sorry?
Definitely interested.
Definitely interested. Sure. So make it more fun, families. It's always fun to have your kid playing in your team. So Coach Chanderpaul played with his son at the international level in the same team. So it's all fun for you to do that with your kid. And
చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది.
సో రతన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ క్రికెటర్. ఇండియాలో ఉండి అక్కడ కాంపిటీషన్ అంతా కూడా తట్టుకుంటూ హీ యాక్చువల్లీ వెంట్ అప్ టు రంజీస్ లెవెల్ అండ్ ఆల్ స్టార్స్ క్రికెట్ యాక్చువల్లీ గేవ్ హిమ్ an extraordinary opportunity to live his passion, just like how many of us are living our passion of teaching Telugu. He is actually living his passion of teaching cricket. Okay, so that's what Ratan.
వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు బి హియర్. చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ లైక్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ కిడ్స్ దే గెట్ ట్రైన్ విత్ మీ. సో ఐమ్ హ్యాపీ లైక్ ఈవెన్ దే ఆర్ ఇంప్రూవింగ్ ఇట్. So I always tell them like you perform, you progress, you achieve. That's what, right? That's what you reach your goals. Like keep your goal something, then you have to aim high. That's what his guidance really very helpful for every kid, like to progress in their career. I wish you all the best for everyone.
Okay. And without any further ado, so we would like to do a small presentation ceremony here. That's what it is, but we also have some gifts. The trophies may not be big, but the trophy is given to us by the biggest. Okay, first of all, I would like to invite the second runners up team, Dallas Dumaram. guys give it up to senior team.
Well done.
Coach, please. మీరు కూడా ఉన్నారు సార్.
So the guys now got to go and strategize and see coming next time around how they gonna get the number one spot. Yes, no worries. Well done again. At least you made it up there, yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. You have to work on the opposition now.
Thank
the
you,
leaders.
thank you. All right, guys, congratulations. And the first runners up, the Celina Surulu team. Come on, guys.
These guys have a lot of planning to do. You guys have a lot of planning, man.
Okay, big round of applause. Yesterday, I
if you
think
get a chance to bat, he might make it.
He got the
Yes.
highest wicket, so
yeah, he got the highest wickets.
yeah.
Yesterday, he actually had the highest wicket, and also the last wicket of the tournament was his yesterday.
Yeah, well done, man. Well done, man. Don't worry. Next time you get a chance,
Yeah.
you get a chance to bat.
Okay.
All right.
Nice meeting you.
All right. Cool. Well done again.
congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
That's boys.
And then the team with utmost strategies. Okay, so we actually have the team, and also many other. And extraordinary thing is that the batsmen who actually took this over this finish line, they were so resilient. Appreciating each other, supporting each other in the very last second. It's okay, one run. It's okay, no run. Okay, it's okay, no, that's fine. You got out, that's okay. Oh my goodness, every ball of all the 10 overs, they were like supporting each other. And I would say that it's not only the skill, it's not only the performance, it actually about that entire teamwork they demonstrated took them over the finish line in a really cheerful way. The Prosper Jabardast team, the winners of the champions, please.
You get a cup, man.
Yes.
Congrats,
Thank you so
congrats,
much.
congrats. Right.
Okay.
Give them a big round of applause. Okay, guys. Okay.
No worries. So well done, guys. Well done.
Thank you so much.
You guys can come hunting you next time around.
Yeah.
All right. So I hope you prepare for that. You're the leader. The guys are coming after you. Eh? Done, young man. Well done.
Extraordinary game.
Thank you. Thanks for all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.